Hey everybody, and Happy New Year. We're going to start out the year strong with the videos here and doing Nadine wisdom bagging and try on, because our last few have been phenomenal. And I've been watching their pages, and it looks like they're going to be getting into like purses and belts and stuff like that, and that excites me so much. I've been getting Nadine West shipments for like 6 years or something like that, and I've always said, man, if they did like purses and like sandals and stuff like that, it would just take it to the next level. It would just be so much better. And I think they're planning on doing that, because I've kind of seen some sneak peeks on some stuff, and it makes me really excited to see what's up next for Nadine West. So, I don't know what's in here. This is gonna be, it's an every 4-week subscription. Well, you can do every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, and I think every other month, but don't quote me on that. I'll have to look and see, but I will put that in the description box below. I'll look it up and put it down below, but they do give you options on how often you want to receive your shipments, and I get an every 4-week subscription. So sometimes I'll get like 2 in 1 month. So I've already unbagged for December. I think I got one like at the very beginning of the month, and now it's the last day of December, and I think I got this in a couple days ago. So I'm gonna count this as my January unbagging, because I think that's the way it's gonna start to fall, is I'm gonna start getting it at the very end of the month. So I don't know. We'll work that out as it comes in and figure that out. But yeah, we're gonna unbag this and start out the new year strong with some amazing items. So yeah, let's get into it and see what they sent us. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what they sent us. This is so cute. Little caramel colored waffle knit top with a pocket on it. V-neck. This is perfect for right now. Love that. So cute. And then, oh no way. Oh, some joggers. Heck yeah. I love joggers. Okay. And do they match? Are they the same color? My lighting's trying to go crazy, and I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but not quite the same color, but we might to pull it off. I don't know. We're going to try them on together and see. I love that. Okay, next up. Didn't want to come undone. We've got really nice. Oh, it's soft. I don't even know quite sure what it is yet. It is super soft. Oh, this is so cute. It's got the little brown buttons. I'm really loving like pairing brown and black together right now. So that is great. And it's just a kind of a, oh, I love the sleeves. They're like fitted around the wrist, but really flowy through here. So it's going to give you that kind of oversized fit and look. Oh my god, that's so cute. So, so cute. I love that. And then this next one, it's already popped open from me pulling on it. Let's get some organization going on here. Let's see what else we got. We got, yes, some more joggers. Heck yeah! Some gray joggers. Oh my goodness, and they've got pockets. And they're cargo. Look, they've got the little cargo pocket on the side. And then they're fitted around the ankles. Oh my god, and they're so soft. Like so soft. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited for some comfy clothes. So excited for that. Okay. Let's see what is up next. Alright. Get all the paper out of it. What size is this? It's a medium. Okay. It's a very oversized floral dress. And it's got these little pink flowers on it. And it's got kind of the ruffled ends. Oh yeah, it's got like 3 little layers of ruffles. Like it starts out ruffling here, and it ruffles again. And it's got the same thing on the sleeve. So it's going to be like a kind of an oversized look, which would be really good for like this spring. But we're going to try this on because I'm kind of worried it may be a little big for me. But I know someone that would love this, so I may end up keeping it for that. But we'll see. We're going to try it on. It may. I always say try absolutely everything on, because you never know. Like, you may pull something out and be like, oh, this isn't me, and you try it on and love it. So I'm going to try everything on. I'm really excited about it. We also got some jewelry here. Ooh. A silver chain, it looks like. Oh, I love this. It's like the little paper clip look. And it's a little silver chain. And I've actually been wearing a lot more silver. I've always been like a gold like jewelry wearer, but I've been wearing a lot of silver here lately. So I absolutely love that I got some more silver to incorporate in everything. Alright, and then here's our little return bag. That looks like something new that they're going to be doing, because you can send it back in this one because it reseals. But they are putting an extra bag in here now, so if this one's damaged, which can happen in shipping, you've got an extra one here, a clean one, just to send all your stuff back in. So that probably helps, because sometimes these get nicked up pretty bad in shipping. So they're sending an extra, it looks like. So that helps a whole lot. Okay, so I'm going to go try these on, and we'll see what we think. Okay, so I wanted to start out with this dress because, like I said, I wasn't sure if it was actually going to fit me or not, and it is a little too big for me, because I think I could put a belt with it, though. Okay, that works. Yeah, okay, so I could put a belt with it, but see how cute that brings my shape back. And oh yeah, okay, so let me go grab a belt. I want to actually try this on with a belt, because I think this would actually work really well. Okay, look, okay, this just shows you've got to actually style it, because this is actually really cute. It's really flowy, really comfortable. You could put a little denim jacket with this and some boots, and it kind of gives these like boho vibes, because you've got the flowy dress, and you got your little belt here, and you could really go for something a little more decorative through here if you wanted to. Put you a little jacket with it, little denim jacket, and some little brown boots. Oh my God, yes. See, this just shows, try it on. If you're still just kind of on the fence about it, try styling it. Try throwing a belt with it. Try throwing some shoes with it, a jacket, whatever you think would style it up. Because I wasn't sure about this. I wasn't sure if it fit my body right. And this dress would look a lot better on someone without the belt that was taller. I'm 5'1". Just for reference, I am 5'1". I am very short. So oversized tend to make me lose my shape. So I have to actually throw a belt with it or tuck it in or do something like that so that I can get my shape back. So that's a quick tip for something that you get that you like or you're on the fence about. Throw a belt with it, tuck it in, see how that works. So I actually love this now. I absolutely am excited about styling this. I cannot wait to do this exact outfit right here with the belt, with a denim jacket and some little brown boots. And I've gotten myself a little boho outfit, which is right up my alley. So I am really excited about styling this dress even more. So I'm excited about it. I wasn't sure about it at first, but I love it now. So it's a good one. I like it. I wouldn't wear these things together necessarily, but oh my gosh, the amount of comfort in this outfit. Like, I love this shirt. You've got the little brown buttons like I mentioned earlier, and it's just kind of a flowy, like, comfy top. I absolutely love the sleeves. I love sleeves that are fitted around the wrist and kind of just oversized through the actual sleeve part. And it's a waffle knit, which is really in right now, and really comfortable, so it's a win-win. And these joggers, oh my good God, these joggers are probably the most comfortable joggers I've ever owned, like ever. I love that they have functional pockets, they've got the cargo, but like, I'm serious, the inside of them are so freaking soft. They're like a pillow on the inside. Like, these are comfortable. I like that they're fitted around the ankles, and so it keeps my shape because it's fitted through the waist. It fits me perfect through here. It's fitted here, so I get comfort, but I don't lose my shape in them. And it's just overall like the most comfortable thing ever. Both of these pieces, like, I absolutely love it. Like, I can see putting this with some denim and some brown boots. So cute. So very cute. And then these, just for when I'm running errands, maybe just sitting around the house but still want to look cute and comfy. Some little sneakers with it. Absolutely perfect. I love this. I was needing some joggers, so this works out absolutely perfect. I was actually hoping for some comfortable clothes, and man, did I ever get it. Like, everything I've tried on so far is so comfortable. So we've got one more outfit to try on, and I'm excited about it because I absolutely love the color and everything. So let's see about that one. Another comfy fit, and I absolutely love this color. I love this top. It is sheer, so I'll have to put like a tank or something or a bralette underneath it. But it's the same little waffle knit pattern. It's just the waffle knit is a little bigger, so you'll have to wear a little under top with it. But this is absolutely perfect to wear some jeans and some boots. You can even just wear it with some tights and some sneakers and have you a casual fit. And these joggers, I had to fold them over because they're a little long on me, but we folded over our pants a lot in the 90s, and surprise, surprise, it's coming back. Because I was in Walmart the other day, and a lot of the pants are already coming, like, looking like they have the fold over look, which we wore a ton of in the 90s. So that's coming back. So I'm not mad at it. Like, having to fold it over, that's still very cute. It's still very trending. So it doesn't bother me at all that I've got to fold it over because, like I said, you can wear a little tank or a little fitted tee, tuck it in, get you some sneakers, and you've got an absolutely adorable fit for the day, and you're super comfy. You feel like you're in pajamas. So You can't be mad at it at all. So I love this. In this, these joggers, they've got like a light blue threading through it, which I really like. So you could even find you a light blue top to pair with it, and that would be really, really cute. So I absolutely love this. This top is so, so, so cute. I love this. You could even wear this off the shoulder if you wanted to. You wanted to go for more of a look like this, or you can just wear it regular, but it's kind of functional. You can kind of make it your own and do what you want to with it, but I really love this, and I absolutely love the color. The color is really popular right now, this like caramel color, so I am in love with everything that they sent me. This is great. Okay, so I forgot to try on the necklace, so I just popped it on really quick, but I'm absolutely happy with everything I got. Like I said in the beginning, I was really unsure about that dress because I thought, oh, this is gonna just make me lose my shape, and I'm just not really sure about it because of that. But I tried it on because I preach to everybody, try it on everything, try it on everything, and then if you're still on the fence about it, try styling it. Like, okay, how would I actually style something like this? I put a belt with it, and it changed the entire dress. I absolutely love that dress. That is probably my favorite thing out of the shipment now. And in the beginning, I was like, oh no, I don't know about this. This is not going to work for me. And that's my favorite thing. So definitely try on everything. If you're on the fence, try styling it. See what you think about it. Like, actually, like, work with it the way you would if it was sitting in your closet. Because that's how you're going to find out if it's actually going to work for you or not. Because, like I said, I didn't think that was going to work for me, and I absolutely love it now. I cannot wait to wear it. So, I love the dress. I love the waffle net tops. They're going to be so comfortable just to throw with a pair of jeans. The joggers. Oh my gosh, I live in joggers. I'm a mom of 9. I have 9 kids that I'm constantly taking care of, like doing laundry, cleaning house, fixing meals, getting them to school, getting them to sports. Like, joggers are like so crucial in my everyday attire. So I may start out in joggers for the day to get my day started because it's just more comfortable, and then I dress up in something like more like the dress for the afternoon when everything's a little more chill and put together, and I've got all my chores and stuff out of the way. So I absolutely love this shipment. I love that it kind of brings me peace for the new year. It's gonna, like, I got a little bit of comfort and I got a little bit of style, and it kind of just goes hand in hand with all the pieces that we got, and I'm happy with it. And like I said, I've seen some sneak peeks on Nadine West, their pages on Facebook and Instagram, and they've got some exciting things up their sleeves, and I'm super excited to see what 2024 holds for Nadine West and for all of us that are subscribed to Nadine West. And if you want to try Nadine West out, I'll put my link down below. All you gotta do is copy and paste it, and it'll take you to the Nadine West page, and you can sign up for Nadine West as well. And as always, if you have any questions, you can DM me over on Instagram. So be sure you're following me there. And I'm on TikTok now too. That's a whole new adventure. I'm getting used to that, so be patient with me on that. So if you're not already following me over there, go over there, please, and follow me. I'll appreciate it. And I'm also on Facebook as well. But I'll put all that stuff down below. And if you don't mind, like this video. If you've made it this far, please subscribe to my channel. I do unpackings and unboxings and try-ons and hauls. I'm starting to do vlogs, so it's all here, and we're just having fun. We're just hanging out. So come hang out with me and subscribe to my channel, and leave me some love down in the comments. So I want to thank you so much for watching today, and I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.